Hello everyone! In today's video, we will learn how to export videos in Capcut on your PC. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting out, knowing how to export your video correctly is crucial for achieving the desired quality and format. First, open Capcut software on your PC and create a new project. Once the Capcut video editor opens, import a video from your device. Select the video file and click the Open button. After the selected file is imported into the media section, drag and drop the video file into the timeline. Before you go to the Export button, make sure your video is ready. Enhance your video with text overlays, transitions, filters, and effects. Edit, adjust timings, and ensure everything flows smoothly. Once you're done, it's time to export your video. Locate the Export button in the top right corner and click it. Enter your video title and choose where you want to save it to organize your projects. Do you want a 1080p standard video or a 4K? Remember, higher resolution means a larger file size. Set the bitrate. The recommended bitrate is perfect. Choose Codec from the drop-down menu. The selected codec is the default and widely supported. These technical terms affect video smoothness and file size. If you're not sure, stick with the recommended settings for a good balance. The video format should be MP4 for high-definition quality, and 30 frames per second is perfect. Just remember, higher frame rates also mean larger files. Once you're happy with your settings, click the Export button. The export process might take a while, depending on your video length and chosen settings. Your video is now successfully exported. Capcut also generates a reel for TikTok automatically. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.